filming these moving out videos, this is the video I've been most excited for. I have always envisioned having my own kitchen, going grocery shopping, organizing my cabinets, and cooking. So I am so excited to do all of that in this video. Since I've lived alone, I have not gone grocery shopping. I literally have the bare minimum of food in my fridge and my cabinet. I use one of these cabinets for my pantry because I don't really have one. So I need to get all the essentials. I have a long list of stuff to get, so I think I'm gonna go to Whole Foods and Trader Joe's. I usually don't go to 2 grocery stores in one trip, but there's so many things I have to get, so I'm gonna make sure I get everything. And then I'm gonna give you guys a kitchen tour and organize all my cabinets, figure out where everything's gonna go, and also how I'm gonna store all my food. I love kitchen stuff. I can't believe I have my own kitchen. It's crazy. So I'm gonna finish getting ready and we're gonna go. All right, I have my purse, I have my hydro flask. I switched to the yellow one today and I am headed to the store. I'm so excited to go shopping for groceries. All right, so I'm first gonna get some fruit. I only need a couple because I'm only for one person. All right, so I got bread, bagels, and cream cheese. I already have oat milk at home, so I don't need that. All right, this is that cherry yogurt I was eating in my last video, and it was so good. So I'm gonna get some of these. I think I'm just gonna get cherry because I know that's the best. This is my favorite veggie sausage. This is the smoked apple and sage, so I'm gonna get a pack of these. I like eating them on my bagel. I've been eating a lot of pasta lately, but I really want some ravioli. I don't know which one to get. Let's just do cheese. I need some dessert. I think I'm gonna go with brownies. They are my fave. I've tried this chicken fried rice before. It's so good. I'm getting the cheapest options, by the way. I need more vegetables. This is not looking nutritious. All right, guys, this is looking good. It felt so crazy. Like, obviously I've grocery shopped before. I've stayed home alone. I've stayed at my dad's house alone. I've gone to Airbnbs and I've obviously grocery shopped, but this is a different feeling. Like, I'm getting stuff to bring home to my apartment, to put in my fridge and organize my kitchen. It's just so crazy and it was so much fun. So I got 2 bags full of stuff. This was a total of $52. Is that a lot? I don't know. I made it to Trader Joe's. Let's go in and get the last couple things on this list. All right, I'm gonna get a frozen pizza. I think I'm just gonna get cheese. Actually, no. Let's get this garlic and pesto. LOL. All right, this is my favorite section. I'm gonna get mochi, and of course we're going with green tea. I could also get the mint sandwiches and the macaroons. Those look so good. But I did just get brownies, so I don't know, because these mint sandwiches are addicting. I feel like I would eat these all in like one sitting. But they're so good. I don't know. Should I get them? No, next time. I need to get a coffee creamer, and this oat milk one looks good. It also says brown sugar, which is a yum flavor. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna grab a bunch of these. Looks good so far. All right, I'm gonna get a pack of lemons too. Hopefully I eat all these. I need all the essentials. Are these the same? I can't tell. I think they are, just in different bottles. Which one should I choose? This bottle or this bottle? I think I'm gonna go with this one. It's cute. I have a full basket. All right, I'm gonna get tomato basil marinara sauce, and I'm also gonna get salt and pepper. I was gonna get flowers, but I realized I don't have a flower vase. I also got a huge bag of Trader Joe's stuff. Guess how much this was? It was only $40. I feel like that is such a good deal. I'm definitely gonna just be shopping at Trader Joe's. That's usually where I shop. I'm glad I went to both because I feel like at Whole Foods it has a lot of things Trader Joe's doesn't have. But I found like the essentials, the best things, everything I'm gonna need at Trader Joe's. So this is gonna be my grocery spot. I'll unpack everything when I get home and do a haul, but both grocery stores combined, today I spent around $100 on groceries. This will last me a while, so it's not that bad. Look at this. This is my groceries. I am so excited to show you guys everything I got. I have a huge grocery haul right now. I watch a lot of YouTube videos like this where they do grocery shopping and fridge organizing, and everyone has like this super filled refrigerator. And I'm like, oh my God, that looks so cute. And it looks so nice how it's all filled and has so many fruits and vegetables and all this healthy stuff. But I'm like, I know if I had a fridge like that, there's no way I would eat all of that. The last thing I want to do is buy a bunch of food and then I don't even eat it and it just goes to waste. So this is kind of like a trial run on grocery shopping. We'll see how long this food lasts me. I just didn't want to go like above and beyond and get like a ton of stuff and then waste the food and waste my money on buying it. So I got a lot of essentials and I'm super excited. There's a lot of stuff here though. I mean, this is like $95 worth of food. So I'm gonna start with Whole Foods because that's where we went first. So first I got these Chobani cherry yogurts. These are the yogurts I was eating in my last video that were so good. They're Greek yogurt in black cherry. Next, I got some fruits. I had a snack when I got home, so some of this is missing, but I got strawberries and bananas. It's crazy like picking out food just for one person. I'm used to picking it out for like a family of 7 because that's what it was at home. Usually at home I'd get like the biggest bunch of bananas I could find, but like I got 4. I already ate one. So different. Next, I got some ravioli. I got the cheapest version of everything. Like if there was a cheaper option, I got it. I'm going cheap mode since paying rent now. I'm paying for rent, I'm paying for utilities, gas, school, and now food. I'm gonna get the cheapest option if I can. I got a cucumber, tomatoes, cream cheese to go with my bagels. This is gonna be so yum. I got veggie sausage. This is one of my favorite kinds of veggie sausage. It's the smoked apple and sage. It's so good. I've eaten it like a million times on this channel. Chicken fried rice, it comes frozen and it's so good. And so when I made this a few times at home and it's so yum, so every time I'm in Whole Foods I always grab a bag. It's so easy to make too. You literally just heat it up. Next I got bread. I was contemplating for a while if I needed bread and bagels, but I decided yes. I got peanut butter. I thought if I'm getting bread, I might as well get peanut butter so I could have a sandwich. The last thing I got from Whole Foods is some brownies. I already ate one. The cashier was telling me that these are her favorites, so as soon as I got home, I had to try one. Next, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's. I got some asparagus. I got some olive oil. I told you guys I need all the essentials. This is like such a cute, nice bottle. I couldn't go to Trader Joe's without getting some mochi, so I got the green tea mochi. I'm so excited. This is my fave. The dessert aisle was really enticing, but I only left with one box, so don't worry, I'll be back for more. Next, I got lox. I'm obsessed with putting salmon on my bagels, and since I got a cucumber, one of my favorite snacks to make is cucumber with cream cheese and salmon. I'm glad I went to Trader Joe's too because all the options at Whole Foods were like $14, and this one was $4.99. I got more essentials. I got salt and pepper. I got these, they looked fine. I got some marinara sauce. This is tomato basil. I've been eating so much pasta lately. It's so easy to make, so I got a new sauce. I also could put this on the ravioli. I got a frozen pizza. This is the roasted garlic and pesto. One of the asparagus, oh, it's a tiny one, it came out. Next, I got 2 things of garlic. See, I am becoming a cook, right? I got 2 lemons. This coffee creamer, which looks so good. It's the oat creamer in brown sugar. Sounds so yum. I've never tried it before, but I'm so excited to. And then the last thing I got from Trader Joe's are potatoes. I am so excited. I love potatoes. I mean, that is quite the haul. I got so much stuff. This is $100 of food. So I'm gonna start with the refrigerated stuff. This is my refrigerator. It's huge and it's pretty empty. I I mean, there's literally nothing going on in here. This is the coffee creamer I use right now. It's pretty much empty. I was living on chicken nuggets for a few days. I bought barbecue sauce. This has avocados, leftover pasta. So I'm gonna start filling this up with my new stuff. I guess starting with the yogurt, I'm just gonna put it on this side. That looks cute. I'm so excited for that cherry yogurt. I know there's a way that you store asparagus. People put it in like a jar of water. I'm gonna get like produce storage containers from the Container Store and Amazon soon. But for now, I'm just gonna put this in here. I'm gonna put the cucumber here as well, strawberries and tomatoes. So I'm gonna put these here. I can put that in here. We filled it up a little bit more. It's definitely not full, but as I said, I don't want to overdo it. So this is a perfect place to start, I think. As I figure out how much I eat and how much I should buy, then I'll continue to fill it up more. But this looks super yum. I'm fucking hungry right now. All right, so this is what my freezer looks like right now. I have some veggie patties. These look so good. Frozen burritos, and now we're gonna add some chicken fried rice, my mochi, I can't wait to eat this, and this frozen pizza. Honestly, a good amount of stuff in the freezer. Okay, so here's my countertop. I have my oven and stove, a couple appliances, and then a sink full of dirty dishes. I'm not gonna show you guys that, it's pretty bad. I'm gonna add these to my countertop. I have my salt and pepper, and then my olive oil. These can go right here next to the stove because I'll probably use them as I cook. So down here, this is where I make my coffee. I have my Keurig and a water pitcher, paper towels, napkins, and then in this cabinet, this is where I keep my pantry. I don't really have like a pantry, so I use this cabinet all for that food. Honestly, there's a lot of space and it's been working perfect. So I'm gonna put my bread and stuff in here. I have my bread, bagels, and peanut butter. And then I have my brownies and my tomato sauce. I have all my pasta stuff on this bottom shelf. I want to get a fruit bowl for my bananas and lemons and stuff like that. For now, I'm just going to leave these on the counter. This is so much good stuff. It makes me so excited to cook. Like, I have so much food now. So that is how I'm going to organize my food for now. I'm definitely going to use the blender now that I have fruit. And that is everything we got from the grocery store. Look at this nice dishwasher. Down here, I have my trash. I have my trash and recycle. I have trash bags, extra dish soap, dishwasher soap. This wooden organizer is so annoying because it doesn't fit all the way. And I got another one, but it was too big. So I think I'm gonna get one of those mats that grip it all to the bottom. But this is what it looks like. I really like the wood. I think it looks nice. So I have all my silverware. A lot of these are like from 2 different sets because I had dishes left over from when I lived in the dorms. Down here, I have pots and pans. I actually have a lot of pots and pans, thanks to my grandma who got me this really nice set. There's a pan on that side, cutting board, but I've used all of these so far. They're so nice. So in this cabinet, I keep my plates and bowls and mini plates on these shelves, and then on this shelf, I have some plastic ones. Those are from the dorm, paper plates, and then those are sushi plates. Here is my microwave. I've been using it way too much. I try not to cook microwave food a lot, but it's so convenient, you know what I mean? This cabinet over here has all my cups, so I have my glasses at the bottom. These are all lids for my Hydro Flask, and then I have coffee cups. I really need more coffee mugs, but these are all so cute. And then these are for tea. And then I have my Hydro Flask up there too. All right, guys, I'm in my robe. It's a while later, and I just wanted to thank you guys for watching today's video. This was a super fun video to film. My kitchen is filled, and I got to eat some amazing meals today. I am so happy I went grocery shopping and got all that stuff because I had a delish breakfast, and I'm gonna have an amazing dinner tonight. Thank you guys for watching. watching, and I'm looking forward to the next moving video. These are so fun to film. Like, I'm enjoying this so much, and it seems like you guys are too, which makes me so happy. A lot of you guys are DMing me on Instagram, and I've been responding, so definitely follow me on there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys soon. Since I'm on summer now, I've been uploading like 3 times a week, so hopefully I can keep that up, and I should be back with another video on Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't really have like specific upload days, but during the summer is my grind time, so I'm trying to just get as many videos out as I can. I've been having so much fun with it. It's so much fun to plan all these and put them together. So if you guys have any video requests or anything specific you want to see, definitely leave that in the comments below. I'm always open to hearing what you guys want, so let me know. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye! Mwah.